Yo, assalamu alaikum YouTube. What's up everyone? I hope you guys doing amazing. Guys, these days are crazy. Bitcoin broke a key resistance. Unbelievable. So what is next? Is the bull market 100% on? Is it a fake out? Check the video out. We're gonna talk and deep dive in a lot of cryptocurrencies. If you want to know what's next, check this video out, guys. See you. ¿Qué pasa? Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to a new cryptocurrency trading video. Guys, we're gonna dive into this chart. We want to know what's happening in the chart, okay? Well, let me delete these boxes. So this is the daily chart, guys, okay? And I talked a lot about the 32K in the past months. 32K is the key level to look at. It's this purple line here. We broke through. Okay, is the bull market on or not? Not yet. Not yet, but almost. Why? Now we want to see that Bitcoin stays above this purple line right there, okay? Bitcoin need to stay above this purple line here. Why? This purple line is a major macro support and now turned into resistance, and now the bulls has broken this resistance. So we need to see a flip again, guys, okay? What I want to see is the following price action. Let me take the brush very quickly. I want to see that the price right here goes back to this purple line, stays above it, and then you can really expect a new phase of a bull run. Okay, are there still bearish signs? Are there any bearish patterns or something like that? Well, there was the last one that I see, and if we take these highs right here, gonna draw it all the way up, and we're gonna take this high right here, and then we're gonna take the low right here. There we go. See that, guys? And we can see that Bitcoin stopped. The price action stopped at this top resistance. Can you see that, guys? So we got this resistance right here. Here. Then we have this area as resistance. And now we're going to probably see, and we're already seeing that Bitcoin stopped at this resistance. You see that? And this pattern is, yeah, quite bearish because it's a rising wedge pattern. You can, in a textbook, see that these price action, they tend to test the highs again, grab liquidity, trap people, and break down. And the target is this 15K again. I'm not saying that it will happen, guys. I'm not saying. I couldn't be. This pattern is there, but it doesn't mean that it will break out. I hope you understand this, okay? If you really want to know and see the confirmation, we need to see a rejection here. Then we're gonna lose this support here, go back to 26K, 25 go up and test this, and then we go lower. Then you have the full confirmation of it. But for now, it's bullish. Everything is bullish. You need to have a bullish bias for now on the short term. And as I said, we need to make sure that we keep an eye on this purple horizontal resistance, and then, guys, and then see it being flipped into support. I'm happy that we saw the breakout. We bought low, we sold high, but there's still something telling me inside that, yeah, I'm not totally convinced yet. I don't know why, but that is something, maybe something bad from my side. I really need to re-evaluate about it. But so for now, guys, it is really bullish, but keep in mind of this um, bearish pattern right here, a rising wedge. We really need to respect the rising wedge being printed here, okay? And why did Bitcoin stop? Why did Bitcoin stop exactly at this resistance? Why? Why? So that is a question that the chart, the buyers and sellers need to, need to answer. And I can see probably another line of resistance, and it is this one. If you take really the lows exactly in a perfect way, you can see that we are seeing another resistance line coming in at that area. Let me delete this. No, this. You see that, guys? If you take these lows, these wicks, and print it here above this resistance, here, and then you can see that that resistance previous support line reached perfectly here. I'm gonna mark it red. Let's mark it white. See that, guys? So that is what I'm seeing right now, guys. That is what I'm seeing. I'm very happy that the Bitcoin bulls broke the 32k. Very interesting. We saw a pump all the way to 37k, and yeah, right now it is just being patient, not taking much risk. Pay yourself by taking profits. And yeah, let us jump into, yeah, Solana also in a very interesting area, guys. If you see this support, look perfectly. You can say you would like to print it something like this. That is some very interesting price action, respecting this white line. So Solana has pumped amazingly, and we also saw these beautiful lower highs here. And this one is quite difficult because you don't know if you need to, consider it as a ascending triangle like Bitcoin, or you need to consider it as a rising wedge. Yeah, very interesting. Very interesting, guys, really. For now, it is above $30, which is a good sign for the bulls. And I don't really would like to say that this is a very good buying opportunity, because it is hitting resistance, and you need to respect the resistance in any way. Although you are super bullish and emotional and all that stuff, really you need to be very, very careful here. And that will not be the popular opinion right now, unfortunately. But I'm looking where resistance is, and I'm seeing resistance, and I can do nothing about it. So yeah, that's it for Solana. Let's go to Matic. To be honest, I was waiting for lower prices, but I did buy some at this double bottom formation right here. This is one, and this is the second one, where you see accumulation and eventually the pump towards 65 cents. Um, yeah, but Matic, there is, room for more upside. But right now, what Matic is being hold Bitcoin dominance, but not only Matic, also other cryptocurrencies, altcoins, and yeah, Matic is just finished its accumulation phase and is now broken out of the formation of this accumulation phase right here, and now we are seeing a beautiful pump. So buying here would be a totally not bad idea, because you have this downside to 50 cents. That's probably on the long term not so bad. So there is a potential retest to finish this double bottom to this dump right here, the pump right here for the neckline, and then we saw this dump, but being bought at this area, heavy accumulation at this area for a long time, and now we could see something like this testing the 19 cent again. So that is the opportunity on Matic, which is very interesting, but you need to hold one thing in your mind, that this could take very long, as the Bitcoin dominance has been going up also today, and yeah, which could lead to a very much to a delay. Look, this technical pattern. You see this? This is what also Bitcoin needs to do on with the price action, because it's not similar, but it has almost the same fundamentals. We have this big resistance here. You have this big resistance here. 2, 3, 4. The breakout, and then the retest of this resistance line, and then we saw the pump. That is something that Bitcoin also need to do with the price action. Let me look if I can zoom out a little bit more. Weekly. Yeah, an interesting level has been hit right now on the Bitcoin dominance. And if Bitcoin keeps going up like it did today and the past days, we could see some retest of these levels here. This 57%. That could be a realistic target, man, if Bitcoin's pumps really towards that 40K. I really can say that this is really an opportunity, and it's not like 10% move in dominance, but it's just 3% of, I don't want to say just 3%, because it is billions of dollars that the Bitcoin price will be needed to take. So yeah, yeah, that's it, guys, for today. Although I was very tired, I still managed to make a video. So I hope you really enjoyed it. And tomorrow, inshallah, I will do a video in my Dutch language. And so on. Yeah, that's it for today, man. Thank you guys for watching the video. And if you have any questions, drop it on the comments, guys. Thank you very much indeed. My name is Crypto Zach, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.